I had a stressful day.
We all had a stressful day, but I still have to perform my rights as a husband.
But I'm tired. Moreover, is marriage all about love making?
I don't understand. If it's not about that, then what is it about?
Working on building empires for our future kids.
Oh, for our future kids.
Yes, no.
How do you expect us to have future kids when we don't constantly consummate?
All this drama, just to satisfy your insatiable libido, Sammy.
Baby, come, listen. Just come. Just give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes and I'll finish.
2 minutes is too much. Okay, 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yes. Sorry. I mean 30 seconds. I made a mistake. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Yes, 30 seconds.
1, 2. No, no.
30 seconds. 2 minutes is too much.
Just 2 minutes.
No. Okay. I'll give you 40 seconds.
No, baby, just 2 minutes.
Oh, it's too... Okay, 1 minute.
I'm not a 1 minute man now.
I'm tired.
How can you carry this and tell me you're tired? What is this?
Okay. Nice sleep.
Babe, stop. Babe, stop. Babe, I'm tired.
What do you mean you're tired?
I need to have some rest. We could do this next week, baby.
Next week? Next week? Are you kidding me?
Babe, listen to me. Babe, I'm tired. Tomorrow is going to be very hectic for me. We could do this next week or next 2 weeks, please. I'm tired.
Next week? For you to make love to your wife? You're postponing it to next? Can you hear yourself? Stop this, please. I'm in the mood.
You stop.
You
stop.
Please.
Babe, I'm tired. I need to sleep, please. I'm going to work tomorrow.
So this is it, eh? No, this is it. You cannot make love to your wife. You're...
Stop.
Oh, leave me. So you're cheating on me. What is it that you're looking for outside that I don't have? I have everything. Ben, can you stop this? Babe, listen.
Babe, stop. I need to sleep.
I see. You're having an affair outside. I don't understand why you neglect your duty as a husband. Who do you expect to touch me? Every other day, I crave for your touch. But you keep neglecting me. What's wrong with me? What is it that you're looking for outside that I don't have? I have everything. Yes, you. God punish you. Look at you. Always stabbing me. You don't want to make love to me. That means you're cheating on me. You are outside. You don't want to make love to your wife. You don't want to make love to your wife. You will not sleep in this house. Shameless man. You will not. Oh, so you're having an affair outside, Abi. You're having an affair outside, but you cannot make love to your wife. You should be ashamed of yourself. He goes, idiot. You cannot make love to your wife. We will not sleep in this room. Nobody going to sleep.
Amara, I'm just coming out from the kitchen and all the pots are empty. Nothing for me to eat. All the pots in there are practically empty. What's this supposed to mean? Are you here enjoying yourself?
Benjamin, don't you think you should go to work rather than fight me this morning? As you can see, I'm enjoying this beautiful program.
What is your problem?
When did this start? When did you start making your food by yourself?
You really want to know?
Yes.
I don't think so when I live in this house as a single man.
Oh. Have you divorced me? Or you want to divorce me? Because the last time I checked, we are still married. We are married, yes.
Let me ask you. Do we live in this house as a couple?
Yes.
I don't think so. Because others consummate their marriage always. But look at us. Nothing.
So, all this drama, all this attitude of yours was just because of lovemaking. Sammy, lovemaking. But we did it 2 months ago now.
2 months ago? You opened your mouth to tell me 2 months ago? Are you serious?
Yes.
Look at you. Take a very good look at yourself. Look at all this. Look at all these beautiful things you're carrying. Who are you preserving it for?
You.
Don't piss me off. Is that why I brought you to this house? Is that why I got married to you? I did not get married to you to preserve this for me. How can I have ice cream in my house and not lick it?
But you're licking it.
Don't piss. Let me continue living in this house as a single man. Excuse me.
Look, Mickey. You want to kiss somebody's child? Am I a Jackie? You want to spend 5 hours? Somebody's daughter now. I can't.
Yes, Benjamin.
Since yesterday, I have starved in this house. No breakfast, no lunch, still no dinner. And you're here chewing chicken all by yourself. What kind of selfish wife are you?
The only food in this house is this. If you cannot feed and satisfy this particular food, you will starve. And that's on period.
Oh, really? So since when has your private part becomes food for me to chew and eat when I'm back from work?
Since you decided not to do your duty as a husband. As my husband. Yes. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me.
Nora. You are a good cook. Try. Nora, you are a good cook. It's time for you to open a restaurant too. Because you cannot be wasting this talent of yours. It's too sweet. Why are you looking at me? I've not seen a fine girl before that knows how to cook, right? Yummy. Yummy. Ew, this meat. Oh my god.
Oh, this chicken. Too peppish.
To cook, babe. To cook. What?
Yummy.
So you want to eat? So you wanted to eat? Beg me. Yeah.
Yummy. Yummy.
Oh no. It's okay. Hey. I just wanted you to have it.
Yummy.
To see how it feels like, not your potty food. No, we are still fighting.
Hey.
Wait. Ben, are you blind or something? Can't you see I'm watching the TV? No, me that left it on. Am I a fool? What's wrong with you? Take your time. You're looking for my trouble in this house. What's all this now?
Amara, it seems like you have forgotten that I'm your husband. Because the way you talk to me most times makes me ask myself if you have forgotten that I'm your husband. Why do you talk to me that way?
Husband. Do you even know the meaning of the word husband? Husband. But your own is nonsense.
Oh, I see. So all this attitude you have been giving since yesterday is all because of lovemaking, isn't it?
Did you say just? Oh, you think lovemaking is not important in a marriage? Huh? You call it just? Any little thing, I'm tired. You can't even perform your duty.
Oh, really?
As a man.
How about you? Shave you will not shave. The hairs in your private part is just like a zookeeper. Huh?
Wait.
Yes!
Zookeep me? No, what do you mean by that?
Please.
What? Is this guy using juju on me or what? Why am I even sitting here? Wait! Ben, me and Zuki. Ben.
What is it?
What did you just call me downstairs? Stop acting like you're deaf and dumb. What did you just call me downstairs? No, did you just call me a zookeeper?
What are you talking about?
Fresh girl down here, a zookeeper, really? Huh? Ben, if you don't kill me in this house, I will kill you. Ben, kill me if you want. By the way, who even told you I wanted it? I never wanted it. It's just that.
Just what? All this somebody will die today. Somebody will do this one and do all that. I know it's all about this. Mara. Learn some manners. It will be good for you.
What? What are you even saying? You think I wanted your thing? Something that's not even strong.
Oh, Amara, suddenly my thing is not strong enough for you. But you want to bang me all night. You want me to bang you all night? What's wrong with you? Amara, just learn how to respect your husband. It's very important. Look at you. Come and have it now. Come and have it. This is my clothes. You can't even respect your husband. Didn't your friends tell you that it's very important to respect the man that you're married to? Suit yourself, I'm going downstairs.
You're a very wicked man. Look at you. 1 minute man. You should be ashamed of yourself, shameless man. Hey. So you actually switched me on and left me like this? No. Ben, you finish this thing you started. You cannot leave because like this. Ben!
What's up, bro?
Hello, Sammy.
How far?
Man, my house is on fire. My girl wants to kill me. Listen. My wife is on my neck. I'm just calling you if I could just come over to your house and spend some few days. I just need a place to cool off.
Bro, listen. Let me not lie to you. My house is the wrong place for you to cool your head because you will end up in the hospital. I was actually going to call you to ask if I can stay at yours for like a week or a month.
Huh? 1 month? Ha! Get your own war, so.
Bro, that's why I see I'm more.
Okay, that's fine. So, how about we go grab a drink? Are you game?
Yeah, sure. Let me get ready.
Okay, later then. I'll be waiting.
Alright, see you.
No. What kind of rubbish is that? Eh? You're having issues with your wife. Instead of you to stay back and resolve it, instead, he walked out on me. No, tell me, what kind of a reasonable person does that? Huh?
Amara, you have to calm down. I guess he left the house because he does not want more troubles.
Wait, you mean I'm a troublemaker? Nora, are you saying this to me? I'm a troublemaker. Me?
That's not what I'm saying. You are complaining. Let me bust your head. My husband and I have not been speaking to each other for the past 2 days.
What?
We even eat separately.
Eh?
My dear, we just started talking today and it's war. In fact, he had no choice. He had to leave the house. He's playing with me. He wants war. I will give him overdose of war.
My mouth shut up, my sister. Like this, I don't shut up.
Omo, you have to shut up. You think you're the only one that have marriage problem? We all are facing the same thing. Anyways, what are you doing?
I'm so stressed. I'm bored. I mean, I'm alone.
Why don't we go out and ease off our marriage wahala?
My sister sounds so good. I would love to come out. Because I'm running mad in this house. Yeah, I mean, it's weekend. I'm not doing anything. Just send me the location and I'll be there.
I will send you the location. Sharply. Let me go dress up.
Are you serious? You just moved into this neighborhood and you guys are already fighting?
I'm telling you, I'm sure by now my neighbors must have had enough of us. And my voice is as loud as that of a DJ full set of speakers. Well, it's not funny, for real. See, I don't know what these women want. They meet a man who doesn't love sex and bother them with it. They complain.
On the other end, they meet a man that wants it every day and they still complain. How do we understand these women?
Understand who? Women?
Yes.
My problem now is that if I leave here and go home, we will continue from where we stopped.
Oh, cheers to marriage.
So strong.
That's what we need right now. To cool the sorrows, to cool the pain.
This is more than sorrows. This is more than sorrows.
We're broken the scale, huh?
Honestly, what do men really want? I mean, they meet a woman that derives joy in making love to her man, a woman that is ready to satisfy her man anywhere, anytime. What do? They still complain.
And when they meet another woman who does not like it or does not have the energy to satisfy them in bed, they complain. What do men really want?
I can't tell.
Amara, there is no small problem in marriage because if you overlook it, your marriage will sink.
You're right.
Yes. Omo, let's just forget our problem and just have fun. Let's drink and marry. Oh.
Cheers to our wonderful husband.
Cheers to our wonderful husband. I'm tired. Ah.
Come back here. Come. Tired of what? Huh?
What is it?
This is just 1 hour 30 minutes.
I don't want to do it again. I don't want to do it again. You spent how many hours on top of me, and yet you are still saying, please, please. I'm done. I'm tired. Please.
Babe, just 5 minutes. 5 minutes and I'm done.
No, because that is what you have been saying. I want to rest. I'm human now. I'm not a machine.
Let me finish what I've started now.
No, you cannot finish what you have started because I am tired.
How many times have you finished? Let me finish too.
You can't finish anymore.
Baby, now
No, you cannot. Leave me alone. I don't want to do. I don't want to.
Wait,
No, I don't want to do.
What is your problem? Why are you going? Ha!
You're so good.
Babe,
Yes.
but we're just getting started and you're panting already. Because I'm here to arrive and you're here panting.
You're yet alive. Babe, I'm tired.
Wait, you're tired from what? Because we are just getting started.
Babe, I'm exhausted. Please.
Really? You're what? Come again. You're exhausted. When I've not arrived, you want to leave me and sleep. Please stand up. Let's continue from where we stopped.
Babe, I'll get you a dido. I'm tired.
You will get me a dido when I have you. Shameless man. Shameless man. Look at you.
Can you stop?
Excuse you? What are you saying? You can't even perform your duty as a husband. You can't do nothing. You're telling me you're tired. 2 minutes. You're not... A minute and 1 second. You couldn't even last up to 2 minutes. Shame on you. What are you saying? Come back here. I'm talking to you.
Please stop.
How did I get here? How did I marry this weakling of a man? Hey, I've disappointed my generation. Look at you. You can't even do it. You can't even perform. You can't even touch me. You can't even squeeze me like a woman. Stop this rubbish.
Leave me alone.
Continue from where you stopped. What do you mean? You've not even done anything. You're sleepy. You're tired. You're panting. Hey, this is not me. I can't even get... Wait, did you say you buy me a dido? Did you say you buy me a dido when I have you in this house?
Can you please stop? Stop.
You buy me a dido when I have you?
Sorry. Are you going somewhere?
Wait. Yes. Or am I not permitted to leave this house again?
Well, I just asked a question. Okay. Do you mind telling me where and who you're going out with?
Well, I'm going to my friend's shop.
Your friends? You made friends already?
I didn't say friends. I said I'm going to my friend's shop. I mean my friend.
Okay, fine. This is your friend. Is she married?
Yeah, of course she's married. By the way, why do you ask?
Because no woman will step out of the house without telling her husband, and most of it all prepares her husband breakfast.
Well, newsflash, there is. This is my friend in question. She's way worse than you can imagine. You should count yourself lucky. I literally do everything for you because she does not cook. She does not clean. I mean, she literally doesn't talk to her husband for weeks. You should count yourself lucky you have me. Please, Ben, don't stress me. I'll see you later.
Oh, really? Sammy, please, I don't know. I'm trying to call you, but it's not connecting. Do you know of a good place where I could go get a good food? I'm really hungry and I need to eat. Reply me as soon as you get my voice note, okay? Damn. I'm hungry.
As I'm talking to you, Omala with Nketo. My husband has not been talking to me for days now. I'm telling you.
But I've been meaning to ask you something.
Yeah.
Didn't him at any point spoke to you about his likes, his sexual life, what he does not like or how he likes it?
Of course he did.
Go.
Oh no, stop! Stop
Where do you
this.
think you're going to?
Leave me alone. Oh. Hey, I'm so tired.
You're just too dramatic.
You too.
So why did you run out? But baby, on the serious note, like when you find your true love, it's a feeling that you can never forget. It's deeper than say, and more instant than the song. At the end of the day, I set my eyes on your pretty face. Yeah.
Okay.
You're such a beautiful girl. And thanks for accepting me for who I am. Together we're going to go on this journey of love forever. Forever, baby.
Amen.
You're so sweet, baby.
You like bad things? Oh my god! Oh my god, stop. Stop what?
My wife, she's so sexy.
I know, right?
I'm beautiful.
Thank you so much for loving me. I want you to know that I got you.
Thank you, baby. I got it too.
Come here.
You're so sweet.
Me too.
Give me that again.
Stop.
When I kiss you, I feel like I'm in heaven.
Why?
You said that to him?
Yes. Stop. Now you're scaring me.
How could you have said that to him? Huh?
What am I supposed to do?
Well, you had told him that you were going to cope. Isn't that what you said to him? You told him you would cope.
Yes, I told him I was going to cope at the initial stage, but as time goes on, things started getting worse, and I don't know. I'm really confused.
At this junction, I blame you, Amara. Because since you already accept it from onset, then you should have just lived with it like that. Yes, but that's the truth.
Honestly, I don't know.
Well, it's fine. You just find a way around it. You find a way to make amends. You find a way to talk him into understanding your part, or just...
It's okay. I know what to do. I'm just confused. Okay, now that you are here, I have to rush home now.
Alright.
I'm so down, honestly.
It's fine.
Alright.
Just make sure to be good.
Sure. Alright. Okay.
I'm sorry. Sorry for everything.
I am sorry too.
You're sorry.
Oh my! Are you kidding me?
Yes.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Babe. Babe, we need to talk. Come on.
Yeah. What?
Come.
What happened?
Stand up.
What's it?
We need to talk.
Hey, babe.
I'm late for work. You didn't wake me up.
Yeah, I didn't bother to wake you up because you worked so hard last night. And I didn't want to stress you. I wanted you to have enough rest.
Baby, enough rest on a Monday morning. Come on, who does that?
Meanwhile, I got you your breakfast.
Babe, you made me breakfast in bed?
Uh-huh.
I'm not eating that.
What?
Come on, I'm just joking.
Better. Before then, can I have one more dose?
Really? One dose as a patient? Come on, babe. I'm late for work, and you know.
I know, but...
Can I have my breakfast now?
Yeah, sure.
Easy. Oh.
Babe, I have to go back to the kitchen and continue my chores. Babe,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry for everything. Forgive me.
I'm so sorry too, baby. I'm sorry in any way that I've wronged you. I just wanted to know that it wasn't intentional. I'm sorry. Come here.
Go and brush your mouth.
I will. Come on.
Yeah.
I need to know that I truly do love you. From the very first day that I set my eyes on your pretty face, I knew you were the one for me.
I love you too, babe. But wait, why did you start calling me Amma?
Oh, come on. I like being dramatic. Oh, go to the kitchen.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you more, baby. That's enough.
Alright, I'll be back.
Yes. Oh, fantastic. They're at the office now? Very good. Just take them to the conference room, give them some refreshments. I'm leaving the house right now, okay? Just keep them company. Thank you so much. All right, bye.
Good morning, Anson.
Good morning. I woke up and you were not by my side, so I thought you were...
Shh. I would always be by your side anytime you need me. I'm sorry about everything I said to you. I'm sorry about every word of mine, even though I'm not supposed to say them. I promise it will not repeat itself. We had made promises to be by each other, to stand by each other no matter what. And I would always stand by you.
Thank you. I miss you too.
Apology accepted.
Okay, I have to go to work now, okay?
No. Until after you have your breakfast.
Breakfast?
Yes, come on.
You didn't make breakfast. Oh. You actually make breakfast? For me?
Yeah.
Sit. Are you serious? In my compound? Oh my god. Oh, look.
Hi.
Oh my goodness.
Look at you.
You
look
too.
so
You look
good.
good.
Come here.
Oh,
I missed you.
I miss you too, my
Oh my
darling.
god, your house is so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're having fun, no? You're eating this morning alone.
What to do, my darling?
What?
You're welcome.
Why are you so happy? Is it because I'm here?
No,
You're so extra.
it's because I had a great night.
Oh my goodness. Tell me about it. Mm-hmm.
You want to hear?
Of course, I want to hear.
He's so good.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how to explain it to you.
Go ahead.
You know, he hit me very hard.
Oh my god.
He gave it to me the way I wanted. You want to hear the best part of the gist?
Of course.
Okay. He bends me over. My face facing the earth.
Oh my god.
And he hit me hard.
Girl! You bad girl.
You know?
Are you serious?
He hit me hard.
You had fun, eh?
Whoa! Did you say I had fun? Okay. I enjoyed it. And
Just take a deep breath. Calm down.
And do you know what?
What?
Do you know what?
What?
This will last me for 2 months.
Was it that bad? No, sorry, was it that good?
It was so good. It was so good. I
see.
wish you were there. You would have understood what I'm trying to explain to you.
I know, right?
This is so good.
You bad girl! I miss you!
Enough. What's your brand? Don't stop thinking about it.
Okay, fine. What do you have?
Forget it now.
You're not me, I'm not you. We are different and you know.
I'm waiting. You need to finish this gist. Girl!
You know this thing ain't working now. So I wait for myself.
He's been so bad. I don't know what is wrong with this coach and he doesn't want to sign someone else. Huh? Wow, matches, we've been losing all my bets, we've been losing, like, it's crazy. I'm talking to you.
What did you say?
You're not here, are you sure you're fine?
I'm just wondering how one can cope with a woman you desperately need, yet she doesn't want you.
Huh. Probably she must be cheating.
Oh, God forbid. My wife can never cheat on me. I think she's just too busy with her business, so it's making her ignore my feelings.
Forgetting that marriage should be balanced.
Yeah, exactly my point. Look, I am a strong and faithful man, but she's driving me crazy.
Whew. Not to worry about it, you know. In life, marriage has its ups and downs. What matters is how gently we settle issues amicably. So cheer up and don't let this spoil our moment. Everything is definitely gonna be fine. So cheer up.
Yeah, I hope so.
Let's have fun. Come on. Let's have the best moment.
Cheers.
So as I was saying, I don't know what is wrong with my club. I think I need to change to Chelsea. Liverpool, I don't understand this guy.
What kind of a supporter are you? Just say it like that.
No way!
Babe, can you just listen to me?
Babe, what?
Are you being serious? You mean...
Baby, listen. It's just 2 months.
Whoa.
And before you know it, I'm back to your arms. It's not like I'm staying there forever.
Wait! Oh my God! Did you say just? Staying away from me for 60 days and you're calling it just? Really? So I'm going to be all alone in this house for 60 days without you? You're joking. Oh my God, you're joking.
Baby, listen. I'm sorry. And I know how you feel. But like I said, I'm not staying there forever. Just for 2 months and I'm back to you. Okay?
When are you leaving?
First flight tomorrow morning.
Jesus Christ is Lord. Wait, and you're just telling me now?
Baby, listen. I was just informed this morning. I was informed this morning. It's not like I was aware of it and I didn't tell you.
Okay. Okay. It's fine. Stop.
I'm sorry.
Wow. Stop.
Babe, you can't even tell me my food is nice after taking my time to make you that meal. Not even a comment from you.
I'm so sorry. I forgot. Besides, who cooks better than you?
What? Babe, stop. No. Not now, please.
Just one round.
Baby, my body is burning. I haven't even healed from the last one we had. Please, I need to sleep, okay?
No, but I want you to...
Oh, do you want me to go to the living room?
No, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has. Since I can't just gist with you peacefully without you trying to make love to me. Babe?
It's okay. You can sleep.
I promise you won't touch me.
No, I promise.
That's my boy. Night.
Good night.
Look at you. You slept all through the meeting. I'm so sure you didn't even know how we finalized everything.
I'm sorry, my friend. I couldn't control it. Besides, I know the business is in good hands.
And yet the business is in a good hand. Look at you. Why were you sleeping like a goat? Are you okay?
My sister, I did not sleep last night.
What happened?
My husband. Oh. I'm sure you already know why. You already know why. This man will not let me be. Yes, he won't even let me sleep. Sometimes I used to laugh at you when you keep complaining, oh my, with your pepper body, this man, he will faint, you wake up, you will faint. God!
But wait, is that why you didn't sleep good?
Of course!
Oh wow.
He didn't allow me sleep.
This is serious.
It's tiring. I'm even tired.
Well, girl, I have to go. This is after 11. Yeah. I have to hit the road.
Can't go. It's late.
But I can drive home.
It's late. Amara, we all know the security situation of this country. It's not safe out there.
I know. But
You know what? Call your husband. I will speak to him that you're sleeping over. Come on now.
but I can actually drive home.
No, it's risky. It's not safe. It's late. Let's go upstairs. Let me prepare the room for you. Let's go. Let's go back. Can I help you?
Yeah, you can help me.
Let's go.
Don't you think you're starving me too much?
I think you should also understand that lovemaking is meant to be enjoyed. Yes. But when it's too much, I no longer enjoy it. And instead, I start feeling pains.
Well, from what I know, 95% of women love it when their man lasts long in bed.
I am not among the 95% of women who love it.
But do you know, it's not fun when a man is always begging for it.
I wanted to allow you before, but seems like you like to blab. Keep blabbing.
That is not the point. The point is there should be a spark, a connection. Not me always begging for you to make love to me.
Sammy, you have turned to a motivational speaker because of lovemaking. Hey! Oh. Okay, no problem. Come. Come now. You're doing shakara. I'll change my mind though. I should go to the living room. Come in. Come.
Hey girlfriend, how are you?
I'm fine, Jerry. I didn't call you to know if you were home. And you didn't even tell me you were leaving.
I'm so sorry I left earlier on. I had a lot to do. So sorry about that. How are you?
Fine, Jerry.
You're fine, Jerry. You sound so troubled. Are you okay?
Can you imagine? After everything he did to me last night, this man woke me up this morning asking for more.
Hey, this is serious. Tell me something.
Wait, I'm not done yet. This evening he came back from work, met me in the kitchen cooking, still wants more.
In the kitchen?
Yes.
Whoa. This is serious.
Well, I denied him.
Wow. That means you're so drained already.
I'm telling you, my dear.
Wow. This is serious, honestly. So, how have you been coping? By the way, is he in the house?
No, he got angry, says he's going out to have some drinks.
To a joint? Wait, don't tell me he has gone out to pick up one of these hookup girls to quench his urge. I mean, I'm just saying, for him to be at that joint, Girl, you should know that you're not safe.
No. Legacy bar prohibits workers standing out there. That's why it is favorite place.
Oh, okay. Oh. No wahala. Me, I don't even have anything to say. It's your life. You know how to handle your family. But I hope you're good, ne?
Yeah.
Alright. I will talk to you later, okay?
Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye. Men are scum! Men are bastards! Can you imagine? He has the guts to cheat on me, even when he cannot satisfy me in bed. Ah! Waiter! Please give me more shots. Ah.
I'm sorry, that is not 100% true.
Sorry? I said men are scum!
And I said that is not true. What is your name?
My name is Jasmine.
The name is Jerry. Nice name.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I ask who you're talking about?
Oh, that's my fiancé. Sorry, my ex-fiancé, obviously. He's been busy cheating on me when he barely satisfies me in bed. I want a man who is capable of handling me anytime, anywhere, in the kitchen, balcony, everywhere, but he's good for nothing. I'm tired, and he has the effrontery to cheat on me.
Again, I'm so sorry about that. What are you having?
Waiter, please, I want more tequila shots, please.
You know what, let's get a bottle. I'm game if you're game.
Yes, I'm game. One bottle, please.
You won't believe it. My husband did not come back home last night.
What?
He got back in the morning and he didn't even speak a word to me.
Wait, you mean your husband slept outside without informing you? Really? He came back and you still want him to speak first?
What do you have me do, my friend? What do you have me do?
Force it out of his mouth. Ask him where he's coming from. I mean, this is not nice.
My goods came in the morning and I needed to be sure they are intact. That was why I didn't even bother asking him and all that. But I just go back home now. I want to freshen up. And I would wait for him to return home. You will hear our story later. Trust me.
Exactly, my dear. Nonsense. Don't take any rubbish from anybody. Yeah. Wait, you said your goods came in, eh?
I got some nice things that just came in. You will like them.
Oh, fine. I will be coming to your shop later today so I can, get to see what you have before your customers will rush all of them.
All right, talk to you later.
It's okay. Just take it easy, okay?
Bye.
Can you imagine? You will sleep what? Sleep outside my house? Would that... Can't even try it with me, sir.
Are you ready to tell me where you slept last night? Or do you want me to bring down this house?
Nora, please. I am not ready for your nags, okay?
I'm not a nag. I'm a nag. I said it. You are not a responsible man. You're such a useless man. When responsible men are talking, you should not even whisper because you're not among them.
As you can see, I am coming back from work and I am stressed. I am not ready for this.
I said it. You are not responsible. You are not. Because no responsible man goes outside his house, sleeps outside without informing his wife, comes back home in the morning and be posing like a Yoruba demon wearing agbada. Which?
Well, if you care to know, I got drunk last night. It was the barman that helped me get a hotel, and that is where I spent the night.
And what about your phone? I called you all through the night. You did not pick the call. Why? You made me restless all through the night. Why?
Are you listening to whatever I'm saying? I said I was drunk. I guess we're done here.
The food is ready.
Thank you, but I'm not hungry.
Can you imagine? You're blaming me? Like, am I the... Come back, you must eat my food. You tell me why you don't eat my food today. Babes, the phone is ringing.
Who's it?
Please, don't want your problem. You're asking me, is this so that what will start now when I start checking your phone?
Hello?
Move your leg, please.
Hello? Yes, who's this? Baby, excuse me, let me take this call. Yeah, hello?
Where are you going?
I want to get water.
Oh, I want some too.
Okay, be right back. Yes, hello? Why are you still calling me? What is your problem? I said I don't want it anymore. Can't you understand that? Do you want to ruin my marriage? Look, I am blocking your number right now. Don't call me again. Stop it. Hey, babe.
Hi. Who are you talking to on the phone?
Oh, it was a wrong number. You dialed the wrong number.
Wrong number.
Yes.
I noticed you've been sneaky these days, receiving calls and whispering. Who are you speaking with?
Baby, I'm not being sneaky.
A few days ago, you left me and I don't know where you went to receive a call. And you were whispering as well.
No, I went to get water. I was not whispering.
You didn't go to get water because you didn't come back with the water.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't know. But, baby, I'm not being sneaky. Come on, man.
I just hope it's not what I'm thinking.
It's not what you're thinking. Can you stop thinking that? That's not healthy.
Huh? Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sweetheart. No, why should I be upset? You said your company extended your stay, right? It's okay, it's fine. I don't have issues at all. Yes, I know. Babe, I really need to sleep. I had a long day. No, it's fine. Okay. I love you, Ben. I want to go to bed now. Take your time. Yeah, I love you. Good night. If you like, don't come back. What's my business? Let's stop now.
I wouldn't want your wife to know everything. Let's say we meet by 4 p.m.
Chinenye, don't text me.
You're not me, I'm not you. We are different, and you know what you want. I detest, and you know this thing ain't working out. So I wait for ourselves, trying to make this thing work. But you're the first to know, you're the first to know that what I want is not what you want. What I need is not what you need. Yeah, can't you see? We are so incompatible.
What do you mean I will not kill you? What is all this now? I'm talking to you. Where are you going? Huh?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm going to the living room.
Because I asked my wife to make love to me?
No, because I am hurting from the last love making we had. Please.
When was the last time?
Ask yourself.
2 weeks ago.
Oh, 2 weeks. 2 weeks is just 2 weeks, yeah. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Have you asked yourself why you're not getting pregnant? Huh? Have you?
Oh, so you want to change the topic now? Is that what you want to do?
I am not changing the topic. I am saying the truth. Just tell me you don't like it when I touch you.
Sammy, the last lovemaking we had 2 weeks ago, I have not recovered from it. I'm in pains. Please, let me be. Want to keep me in this house for what?
Are you serious?
Yes.
You should always be waking up in the morning to thank God that you have a man like me. A man as strong as I am. A lot of women are out there praying for a man like me and you have it and you're misbehaving.
So I wait for ourselves, trying to make this thing work. But you're the first to know, you're the first to know that what I want is not what you want. What I need is not
Divorce
what
him.
you need.
What?
Divorce that man before he destroys your womb or any vital part of your body. Yes. Girl, I love you. I don't want you to come crying had I know tomorrow. Please.
But even as such, that is not enough reason.
Okay, oh. It's not enough. It's not enough. Is that what you're saying? No, girl. No, wait, calm down, calm down. You are the same person that told me that you guys have not been talking for days now. Huh? What's going on? What are you saying? Please, if you love yourself, divorce that man. It's important. I mean, you told me he likes doing it all the time. You, on the other hand, you don't like it. Can't you see? I mean, can't you see your marriage is already in shambles? Just I did not tell you. I have to say this from my heart. Please. I love you as a friend, as a sister. I don't want to lose you. Run, oh. Run before it's too late. Run for your dear life. I know what I'm saying.
Amara, yes, you are right about what you said. But he's still my husband.
Okay.
We can always settle whatever issue that comes between us, right? And be happy again.
Okay.
What will people say? What will people say if I divorce him? What will they say?
What will people say?
Yes.
Have you guys not been fighting and settling on this same issue of I go do, I no go do? No, the question you should be asking yourself is this. How long will I continue like this? How long? Come on. You have to tell yourself the truth and nothing but the truth. Divorce that man before you die. Okay? It's okay. I mean, I will always tell you the truth. Yeah, at this point, I have to go. My husband will soon be back and I need to prepare his meal.
Okay.
Please, for your life, it's important.
Alright. Thanks for coming.
Take it easy, okay?
Thank you.
Come here.
What? Stop. Eat your food before it gets cold.
Yes, madam, I will.
Becca.
Baby, I've really missed you so much.
I missed you too. So much.
I don't think so because you don't look like someone who truly do mix her husband.
Why'd you say so?
Because I know you.
Babe, please, can you concentrate and eat your food? Because when you get up there, I don't want you panting like an Olympic runner.
Listen, I wanted to tell you when we were doing it, but let me just say it. Remember when I called you and told you that my company requested that I stay for an extra 1 month?
Yeah.
Actually, it wasn't my company. Yes, I visited a herbal company that was introduced to me by a colleague in the office. So they gave me some herbal roots that will help me perform in bed.
Wow.
Like,
Okay. So I'm really going to be lucky this time around.
yeah, let's just say that I'm better than the way I used to be, hopefully.
Ooh.
Yeah. Babe, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just that I've been running temperature lately.
We should go see a doctor then.
No, why? I still have my malaria drugs. It's okay, eat your food. You don't have to worry about me.
You just said that you're running temperature. You should go see a doctor.
I'm fine. You worry too much. Good, eat your food, babe. It's okay.
I should be worried you're my wife.
But I just told you my malaria drugs are still there. I haven't finished taking them. So I'm okay. I'll be fine.
Sure.
Yeah.
Alright. Baby, I missed you so much.
Babe, stop. Stop. I want to sleep, please stop.
Baby, what are you talking about? You have always wanted this. Why don't we stop?
Babe, please, I don't want to argue. I am tired. I need to rest.
Babe, I'm not tired. I want to.
Stop! Babe, I'm not feeling fine. You saw me earlier today when I was puking. Please, I'm tired. Let me sleep.
Babe, are you turning me down? I'm your husband.
I'm tired, please. I'm sick. I'm very sick. Can't you see? Touch my body. I'm sick.
Babe, I'll take it easy.
Babe, stop this now.
I'll just go through the bag.
Stop. I'm sick. Touch me. I'm very sick. Allow me to rest.
No, I made a mistake. Now it's ruining my life. I did it once.
You know, you keep getting better by the day. I can't seem to have enough of you.
I know that feeling. And I feel the same way too. I can't miss it for anything.
Then divorce your wife.
Sammy, my nigga. It seems like someone is not in a good mood.
Ben, I'm in trouble.
In trouble? How? Is your wife alright?
I met a girl at the bar. One thing led to another and we did it.
Did what?
I slept with her.
What?
Hey, see? Why'd you have that look on your face? You think I don't feel bad? I'm trying to get this off my chest. But it was amazing. It felt so good. It felt like a dream come true. She's everything I want in a woman. Now I find myself falling deeper and deeper and I want out, but she's insisting that we continue. Else she's going to ruin my marriage.
You mean all these things happened within the short period that I traveled and you didn't call me?
Call you?
At least we would have talked before it getting to this point of no return.
To what end? Huh? Well, Nora has been starving me and making my life a living hell.
Is that even an excuse, man? Come on! You cheated!
I know, but she contributed to it. If she hadn't... Ben, what do I do?
This girl, what does she want exactly?
She wants me to divorce Nora. She want me to be around, but I've been out to someone else, but she don't wanna know. She said, get rid of your woman, I want you. She wanna take me home, hey, I'm already committed, there's no going back. Oh my gosh, this is...
Ask my wife to make love to me?
No, because I am hurting from the last love making we had. Please.
Well, if you care to know, I got drunk last night. It was the barman that helped me get a hotel, and that is where I spent the night.
And what about your phone? I called you all through the night. You did not pick the call. Why? You made me restless all through the night. Why?
Are you listening to whatever I'm saying? I said I was drunk. You opened your mouth to tell me 2 months ago. Are you serious?
Yes.
Look at you. Take a very good look at yourself. Look at all this. Look at all these beautiful things you're carrying. Who are you preserving it for?
You.
Don't piss me off.
Hello, Sammy. Hello, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Yes, I promise. I will never run to the living room again. No matter what. Please, can you come back home? I can't stay alone in this house without you. I can't even spend 1 minute without you in this house. You know I love you. Yes, I'm sorry. Please, come back home. Thank you. I'm waiting for you. I miss you too.
Babe, stop.
Come.
Stop it. Tired.
Amara, what's going on? Is there something that you're not telling me?
What do you mean by that?
Why do I feel like you're deliberately giving me excuses and pushing me away?
You know, I want this as much as you want me. But I'm tired.
Exactly my point. Because of you, I have to go get treatment. Now I'm fit and strong. I don't want to perform my duty as your husband, and this is what I'm facing. Listen, I expected you to receive me with your 2 legs wide open for me.
You expect me to open my legs wide open, like a gate? Huh?
Like your husband.
Oh, really? Ben, I'm tired. And I need to sleep. Yeah.
You're definitely seeing a doctor.
Hello? Hi. Are we still not saying? Because it's really urgent. Yeah, I'm in the same room, the usual place. Please, I want to say it's very urgent. What do you mean something came up? I said I want to see you and it's urgent. Oh goodness. Fine, I'm pregnant. What do you mean it's you, of course. Listen, don't play with me. What? Don't play with me. What's this?
So baby, how did you go today?
Oh yeah. The hospital carried out some tests on me and it came out that I have malaria. But don't worry, Dr. Shola gave me drugs already.
Wow, that's so nice of him. I'll call him later tomorrow to thank him for taking good care of my beautiful wife.
No, babe, I don't think that's important. I mean, he seems to have a lot on his plate. Okay?
Well, I think I still need to call him though. He's a good guy.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let me get you water.
Babe,
Hold on, let me get you water.
thank you.
Hold on.
You want to call Shola? Delete your number. Babe, water!
I'm here.
Yes, please.
Hello? What is your problem? Why are you still calling me? I told you I am no longer interested. I'm going to block this number too, you know? What is it?
Sam,
Yes.
who were you talking to on the phone? It better not be what I'm thinking. Sammy, are you cheating on me?
What?
You sounded so urgent.
Sammy's cheating on me.
Whoa, slow down. Nora, this is a serious allegation.
I know what I'm saying. Sammy's cheating on me. Who wakes up in the middle of the night, goes to the bathroom and receives a call? And the worst of it all, he was whispering. Really? Come on now, I'm not a child. He's hiding something from me.
Yes, you're right. I think he's hiding something from you. Girl, divorce this man. Divorce him and have peace. The one that is meant for you will surely come by, no matter how bad you are in bed. Trust me, you need your peace.
God help me. God help me.
I have said my own.
Amara, be helpful.
What else do you want? Divorce. Listen, your peace of mind comes first. You need it.
Maybe I'm just overthinking it. I'll be fine. Thank you. Let's go.
No one made a mistake. Now he's ruining my life. I did it once, but I want it no more. But she say no, she say no. I want no games no more. Someone tell her leave me alone. Oh, but she says she's sticking back with me. Na na na. She want me to be alone. But I belong to someone else. But she don't wanna know. She said get rid of your woman. I want to. She wanna take me home. Hey, I'm already committed. There's no going back. Oh my gosh, this is temptation. No one made a mistake. Now he's ruining my life. I did it once, but I want it no more. But she say no, she say no. I want no games no more. Someone tell her leave me alone. Oh, but she says she's sticking taking back with me. Na, na, na. She want me to be around. But I've been out to someone else, but she don't wanna know. She said, get rid of your woman. I want you. She wanna take me home. Hey, I'm already committed. There's no going back. Oh my gosh, this is temptation. Oh.
Hey, babe.
Amara,
Yes.
are you pregnant?
What kind of question is that?
Why did you delete his number out from my phone?
What kind of accusation is this? I mean, what is the meaning of all this? Where is this coming from?
On my way coming back from work, I met Dr. Shola, and he was congratulating me that finally I'm going to be a father. That my wife is expecting a baby. I was just there standing looking like a lost puppy.
Are you sure he's not mistaking me for someone else?
Who is responsible?
What kind of silly question is that? No, wait. I mean, if a married woman is pregnant, obviously the husband is responsible for it.
If I was responsible, so why the lies that it was malaria? I tried calling Dr. Shola on phone, but you strongly kicked against it. And the next thing, down to you deleting his number out from my phone. Just to cover up your whatever game you're playing. Amara,
No.
what are you hiding?
Okay. Calm down. Okay? I must have mistakenly deleted his number from your phone. Sorry about that.
Oh Lord, you're still lying to me.
No, I was...
You and I know that I've not touched you for the past 4 months. And you are 3 months gone.
No, I was...
Amara.
I was literally waiting for you to come in, relax, and I will break the good news to you. Not like I was hiding anything
Amara,
from
who
you.
is responsible for the baby?
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up? Why are you looking like this? What's going on?
My wife, she's pregnant.
She's pregnant?
It's
But that's
not
good news.
something to jubilate.
What do you mean? You're going to be a father.
The baby is not my baby.
What?
I'm not the one responsible. Listen.
Shit.
I don't know if I should blame myself for the time that I wasn't there for her. My wife, she's been cheating on me.
Oh my God. Okay, where is she? Is she at home?
She was at home when I left, but she said she was going to the supermarket or something.
Okay, you know what? Just calm down, okay? We're gonna find out who's behind this, all right?
How?
How,
Sammy?
Hold on. Just...
Honorable advisor. Go ahead. Keep on. I saw all your chats with your mistress.
What are you talking about?
What did you know? Who is Jasmine? Who is Jasmine?
Hello. My husband found out about the pregnancy. I am going to my friend's place. By the time I return, figure out
That voice. That voice is not Amara, my wife.
It sounds like my friend Amara.
Wait, I don't know your wife. How is that your wife's voice? What are you talking about? Are you kidding me?
Who is that?
That voice.
I don't know your wife. Told you I don't know your wife.
Amara.
Jasmine.
Amara. Who is Jasmine?
That's Jasmine.
Do you know him? Amara.
Wait, what's going on here?
This is my friend Amara.
Wait, Sammy. Is Amara my wife, the lady you told me you got pregnant?
I didn't know she's your wife. She told me her name was Jasmine.
Sammy.
I don't know your wife.
Sammy!
I've never met her before.
I've been sleeping with my wife!
Bro, listen, just calm down. It's not what you think, okay?
Sammy!
You're not me, I'm not you. We are different, and you know what you want. I detest, and you know this thing ain't working now. So why we fussing ourselves?